In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user access in Jira. If you're new to Jira or looking to better understand how to control access, you're in the right place. Managing user access effectively is crucial for the smooth operation of your projects and protecting sensitive data. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Jira. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various administrative options at your disposal. Once inside the settings menu, you're going to look for an option labeled User Management. This section is where the bulk of your access management tasks will be handled, providing you with various tools to control who can see and do what in your Jira projects. In the User Management area, you'll see an option to manage users. Here, you can invite new users to join your project environment. Inviting a user is simple. Usually, it involves entering their email address and possibly assigning them an initial role. This ensures they have the right level of access tailored to their responsibilities. On the right side of the User tab, you'll notice an option to add these users to a group. Groups are a fantastic way to manage user permissions collectively rather than individually. By assigning users to groups, you can easily grant or restrict permissions based on department roles, project teams, or any other grouping criteria relevant to your organizational structure. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Groups section. Clicking on this will allow you to create new groups, edit existing ones, and manage group permissions. By setting up groups that align with your business needs, you can ensure that every user has the appropriate access and responsibilities. Finally, explore the Teams section, which can often be found alongside groups. Teams in Jira may involve more specific configurations, usually pertaining to cross-functional or project-focused collaborations. Here, you can allocate teams to particular tasks or projects, ensuring clarity and efficient workflow management. Throughout this process, keeping the principle of least privilege in mind is always a good idea. This means providing users with only the access they need to perform their tasks effectively, reducing unnecessary permissions that could lead to security vulnerabilities. And there you have it. These steps will set up a solid foundation for managing user access in Jira, allowing you to tailor permissions and maintain project integrity. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.